This is the Fujitsu fi-7160 scanner, and today I'll be showing you how to clean the document path and feed rollers. When cleaning the Fujitsu fi-7160 scanner and any other scanners, you must make sure you're using the right cleaning materials. You can purchase the cleaning materials seen here today online or at a local store. Here at eBizDocs, we use isopropyl alcohol and Kimtech wipes. We recommend putting the isopropyl alcohol on the Kimtech wipes in a small spray bottle for easy application on the wipes. The Kimtech wipes are perfect for cleaning scanners because the wipes leave no dust from them on the surfaces you clean. That eliminates the potential for dust from staying on your scanner lens, which creates speckles and streaks on your images. Once you have your cleaning materials ready, you can open up the scanner so you have access to the document path. You do this by lifting up on the handle and pulling forward. Take your spray bottle filled with isopropyl alcohol and spray it on the Kimtech wipe so it is a little damp. Take your Kimtech wipe with the isopropyl alcohol and gently place it on the document path. Go back and forth until it is clean and there are no dust particles on the path. Use this same process for the rollers. Take the spray bottle with your isopropyl alcohol and spray the wipe. After, go in a downward motion on the rollers until you have successfully cleaned each one. Make sure you get the rollers on both sides of the scanner. Depending on how frequently or infrequently you clean your scanner, it may take more than one wipe on the rollers. This concludes cleaning the document path and feed rollers on a Fujitsu fi-7160 scanner.